Welcome to ChinaBio Partnering event. I'm Brian Yang, Senior Editor for Scrip Pharma Intelligence. With me today is Mr. Lin, Tommy Lin. He is the head of the BD for Chinese drug company, a pharmaceutical company called HEC. Welcome to the interview, Tommy.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about HEC?
Okay, HEC is a local company in China, located in Dongguan, and we are a leading pharmaceutical company in China, and we are investing R&D in Dongguan. We have 1,600 employees for R&D, and HEC is a huge group company. We have 3 business divisions. The most important division is pharmaceutical.
That's a big number for your R&D team, which has 1,600 employees. Can you tell me what are their functions and why do you have such a big R&D team?
Yeah, we have 3 research areas. The first is new drug. Now we have 7 new compounds in the clinical trial, and then the 5 of these 7 we get the fast track review in China CFDA. And in the beginning of this year, we have filed R&D to the US FDA, and now the phase 1 study is ongoing in the United States. Also, with development of generics in US, we filed now more than 30 ANDA in the United States, and we have 6 litigation ongoing in the United States. Yeah.
So basically, you have 3 sections.
Yes, 3 sections: new drug, generics, and biologics.
Tommy, can you tell us about this new drug for HPV?
Yes, we have a HPV drug. This HPV compound is a new compound, all new compound, and it's a first-in-class compound in the world. It's a HPV capsid inhibitor. Now it's in the phase 2 study. In the end of this year, it will be finished for the POC study. So we will get a very interesting result in the end of this year. Yeah.
You know, the HPV area is has a lot of competitors. Why do you think your new drug will win out in this competition?
Yeah, we focus on the HPV this area for many years, and before 10 years we research for the HPV in this the area, because the hepatitis B is very it's very important in China. You know, we have so many patients on HPV. For many years, we researched in this area, and we found some target for this area. And this target is a very new target and a very useful target for HPV. We believe we can cure the HPV while this target and other targets combination. This is our goal.
As we know, in China, Roche has licensed out their HPV therapy to a local Chinese company. Do you think you can really, I know you talk about your differentiation strategy, how do you think the market will be evolving for new therapies?
I think Roche has his strategy for the business, but our business strategy is very clear. In China, it's a huge market, and we are a local company, so we will drive this market into the future, and we are very confident this area will be very. We can do something in this area, yeah, in the future.
And just wanted to follow up on you being a local company. HEC based in Dongguan,
Yes.
Guangdong. What do you think current environment, in particular, China is encouraging innovation for local companies as well as multinational companies? What do you think you as a local company will benefit?
Yeah, I think the innovation all over China. We are talking about the innovation, and Guangdong is a very good place for the drug innovation because the Guangdong government will give us some funding and will give us some support to do these things. You will see this place, Zhuhai. Zhuhai government set up some new district, a new business place for the drug innovation. So Dongguan is also. Yeah, and in this place we get some talents from the overseas, not only in China. You know, the Guangdong is nearby the Hong Kong and the Macau and Taiwan and some place we can extract some returnees from the United States or from the Europe.
Just a last question. What are your current strategy to expand into overseas market?
Yeah, first we will get to the Europe and the United States and Japan, while the generic drugs, and after generic drugs, we are developing our new drugs. This is two steps, our third strategy.
Thank you very much.